What up, is America? We are back, and I am putting in something that I had made. It's 3D printed, so I'm kind of excited to see what it almost looks. It's just 3D or black filament stuff. It kind of almost looks carbon fiber right there, kind of a little bit. But we're gonna be taking this out because this thing don't work anymore. Once I did my radio, my amp and stuff, it doesn't work, so it doesn't do anything. So we're gonna take her out and replace her with this. So hopefully it fits, and if it fits and looks good, might be making more. So definitely gonna be pretty cool. It's actually pretty nice. So I might keep it as just a pocket, or maybe put some USB ports or something in it, just maybe charge phones or whatever, keep something in it. But it's just gonna be a lot better than that, because it just looks weird and it's not functional and it's just there. So I'm just gonna get rid of it and put a pocket so you can put stuff in it or whatnot. So let's get her out. So I've heard that you can you can pop it out by taking this apart and glue or screwing the port or little metal piece or whatever, or you can just go like this, get a little small flathead screwdriver and kind of put it in there, which I'm hoping it works. So might need two hands. I'm gonna break it. I don't know. Let me grab it. I literally just barely put the screwdriver in, and it kind of popped out, and I got it with my other hand and I pulled it and it popped out. So that's how you get it. Super easy. So unplug her, and I think it's in there. Oh, that's not bad at all. So it's a little dusty and dirty in there, but let's get her unplugged and put this in it. They're pretty good. It kind of moves a little bit. I might have to get some tape or like some double-sided sticky tape or something. And I also might do some critiques, because my guy said that he can make it just a little bit bigger, which that actually might be the issue, because I mean it kind of goes in and out, but so I might need to make it a little bit bigger. But you get the gist of it, and maybe he can mold some plastic notches in it like this does. So you have some right there. But yeah, I might give this to him and he can kind of go off of that. So if I start making them or doing something, or I can sell them, I will post it down below. But for now, I'm gonna get it perfect, and then I'll put down the link below to get it. But stay tuned for that. So keep watching his just a little short video, just kind of showing you how to do that. But other than that, I mean, if it was just a little bit bigger up here, it'd be perfect. Maybe, yeah, just a little. Because otherwise, I'm like, if you came back here and looked at it, I mean, it's nice. If anyone's gonna ask, that's just my little charger I have, because I have one up there too. So, but yeah, so that's that. And I want to put some there too. But I mean, if I could get it in there, some double-sided sticky tape or something, because I mean, it's not gonna, I don't think it's gonna fall out really, unless you like actually pulled on it. So yeah, there you go. Make them a little bigger, and we should be good.